Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to use XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in order to organize your data and also to organize your projects in your system. What the difference between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP? XLOOKUP can look for values to the left and right of the lookup array, while VLOOKUP is limited to only looking for values to the right of the lookup values column. How can we apply both of them to search or lookup array for our data? Here we have this data, and here we have XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Here we have to search by country, or we need to search by the capital of country, or search by any column that we're going to select here. Here for XLOOKUP, we can search from right to left or from left to right. But for VLOOKUP, only we can search lookup area with the only the right lookup array. This means XLOOKUP is more open than VLOOKUP and more powerful. That's gonna help us to search more and for no limit. How can we apply this? First, for example, we need to consider which column that we're going to use as criteria in order to build this to search with. For this one, for example, I'm going to say that for this one, I'm going to consider this country, Brazil, Venezuela, Peru. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that go to data. Then I need to build validation for my data. After that, I need to select by list. Then I need to go to select these countries. After that, I'm going to say, okay, here I selected those countries here to be considered as my criteria to search for. Then I'm going to organize my data, go to home. Then I'm going to bold it and create table or borders here. Then I'm going to start for VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP here. I'm going to say that equal XLOOKUP. Then he's going to ask me lookup value. I'm going to say this, what I selected already. Then where I got this from for lookup array, I got this from this column. After that, he's going to ask me return array, where you want me to search for. Then I'm going to select first the capital of each country. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now I have not available value because I did not select what I want. When I hit select the country, for example, Argentina, then I'm going to find that Buenos Aires is the capital as what happened here. When I change this for another country, for Uruguay, then I'm going to find it Montevideo is the capital for this country. Then I'm going to go again to build XLOOKUP for another column. Then I'm going to say equal XLOOKUP. Okay, XLOOKUP. Now, what the lookup value? The same one. Then, what the lookup array that I selected? This array. Then I'm gonna hit comma. After that, return array. Where is the return array that you want to search? Then I'm gonna select population of each country. Then here I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to find 3.4 for Uruguay, and Argentina, Brazil is 214.3 million people. Now I'm going to select another column to cover how many times each country won the World Cup. I'm going to say that equal X lookup. Then I'm going to say for lookup value, the same one here. Then lookup array, where I selected Brazil, I selected this from this column. Then I'm going to shade this column. After that, they're going to ask me, where is return array? Where you what data you want to search with Brazil name? I need to search how many times they got the World Cup. Then I'm going to find it the 5 as result, because World Cup obtained by Brazil 5 times. Okay, I finish covering XLOOKUP. Now I'm going to go to VLOOKUP with the same process here. I'm going to create data validation. Then I'm going to go to data. Then I'm going to go to validation here. I'm going to click it and go to data validation. After that, for data value, I have list here. If you see here, Brazil, Venezuela built in the list. Then I'm gonna now find it where I want to save it. Then I'm gonna say, no, where I want to data get to from. Then I'm gonna say, okay, now here my data has organized or has listed in my column that I want. Then here, I'm gonna come to this one, go to home, take the painting, and here, I'm gonna find it. Where is the location of my data here? Because I need to clarify it. Okay, here is my data. Then I'm gonna go to this one. Then I'm gonna go to shade. Then I'm gonna come to this one. Now I have everything clarified here with the area zone. Now I'm gonna build my XLOOKUP. There is difference between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Here, VLOOKUP is different. Here I'm gonna say VLOOKUP. Then lookup value. What is the lookup value that I want to look for? This lookup value, the first column. Then he's gonna ask me, what is the table array? I need to include all the table. Then comma, he's gonna ask me what the column index number. For this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 1 is considered to search or considered to look up, then I'm going to select the second one, because I need to match each country with the capital of the country. What I'm going to say here, I'm going to say 2, because I need to consider 2 and match it with the country. Then after that, he's gonna ask me, do you want a true match or false match, exact match or approximate match? I need exact match. Consider the false to be exact match. Then I'm gonna hit enter. Here is supposed to select now Brazil. By selecting Brazil, I'm gonna find Brasilia as the capital, as what happened here. Okay, now I'm gonna go to another column to create equal the lookup. Now lookup value, the same one here, lookup value, the first column. Then table array, I'm gonna include all the table. Then he's asking me about column index. This is 1, this 2 has considered. Then I'm gonna select the 3. Now I'm gonna say 3. This means I'm gonna search match this data, the column 1, with that third column. Okay, now I'm gonna select comma. Then I'm gonna say exact match by selecting false. Okay, Now I'm gonna hit enter to find it to 14.3. The last one, how many times they won World Cup? I'm gonna say equal the lookup. Now lookup value the same, Brazil. Now table array, I need to include all the table. Then column index, the fourth one, then I'm gonna say 4. After that, he asked me, is it true approximate match or false exact match? Then I'm going to select exact match false. After that, I'm going to hit enter to get 5 times World Cup has obtained by Brazil country. Then by change in this process, I'm going to find different numbers, different selections, different data. Why? Because I created my index search or my index looking up based on the first column here to match all data that connect with each row or each country. Any country I'm going to select now going to match with data that included in this table because this table selected to be considered in this analysis. Now, same what happened here with XLOOKUP. Same my result is here. Brazil got World Cup 5 times, as you see here, with the same process. But now, what is the good application to use in your project management or project skills? I prefer XLOOKUP because XLOOKUP has no limit to select whatever column you want and whatever search you want. But for VLOOKUP, only you are limit to search for right side. But for the left side, you need to go from left side to the right side. But to go back, it's very difficult. But for XLOOKUP is limit for everything, and it has no problem to use to search whatever you want. For example, I'm going to use this example. For example, I'm going to say XLOOKUP equal X lookup. Now, X lookup, for example, which value that I want, for example, the last one, 5, or the World Cup. Then he's going to ask me lookup array. This is the lookup array. After that, he's going to ask me return an array where you want. Then I'm going to go back, go to the left. But this not allowed with the VLOOKUP. Go to the left, I'm going to say, this is my return array. Then what the result going to be here? The result going to be Brazil, as you see here. That's why XLOOKUP is more powerful than VLOOKUP. At this point, I finish explaining this functions. If you have any questions, just leave that in comment and I'm gonna answer your question as soon as get it. Thank you and have wonderful time. Bye.